For sale, I got a 1962 Oldsmobile Starfire, finished in factory correct garnet mist with factory interior. It's a 3-owner car, highly documented, original 394, 345 horsepower. Gonna walk around it, tell you more about the car, point out any flaws that I see, and fire it up and drive it. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Like I said, a 62 Oldsmobile Starfire. This beautiful trim on the side. This is gorgeous. It's an amazing car. I know that the 61 has it too. I don't think in 63, I don't think they still had this. I think this was 61, 62 maybe. I could be wrong, of course. It has its all original chrome, so there are some marks throughout on the chrome. But it has all new paint in correct garnet mist. It's a 3-owner car. I have the Protecto plate, and I know that the second owner of this car, this was his baby. I have pictures of him. It shows it's a multi-award winning car for tons of trophies, newspaper articles about it, pictures of him with the car, and then actually, funny enough, in the picture of him with the car, he's wearing a t-shirt of the car on the t-shirt. I just think that's kind of funny. And he owned it for the majority of life. The third owner only had it for about a year. But the body's laser straight, it's rust free. The undercarriage is incredible. All the gaps are nice on the car. Like I said, it is new paint, so there are not very many flaws. You know, like I said, there's some nicks on here from all this chrome and trim is original. I believe it's 77,000 original miles. That might have been from a car I was looking at online, but let me see. 77,371. Again, nice gaps. A little chip down here, probably, you know, hop it in the car, you scratch it. The deluxe built-in floor mats, those are cool. Console, gorgeous dash. The interior, for the most part, I would say is original. I'm sure some stuff has been replaced over time. What is it, a 4-speed automatic or a 3-speed? I can't remember. Hydra-Matic, though. The dash is beautiful. All the chrome is beautiful on the dash. Oh no, that's the horn. There is one little crack on the dash pad right here. The dash pad is more than likely original. And the headliner is in nice condition too. It's got that like ribbed chrome that you see, that ribbed chrome over the top. That's in very nice condition, as well as both sail panels. Original rear bench seat, more than likely. It's leather, so it's got a couple of cracks in it there. You know how leather starts to dry up over time. And the back is nice too. They didn't chop it out and put any speakers in, so it's a very original car. Sorry, I bumped my camera. Top of the car is beautiful as well. All the glass is in excellent condition. It has fender skirts as well. I have them. I will have a picture of them on the ad. They are painted to match. Original selling dealer, West Brighton Oldsmobile in Staten Island. I love seeing those on cars. You could easily have popped it off at some point in its time, and you know, but instead they keep it on. Back bumper is nice. Again, it's original. You know, as you know, with Oldsmobile chrome, Pontiac chrome, whatnot, it's hard to replace it unless you were to strip it down and completely go over it. There are a few miscellaneous chips here, and another one right there. But the trunk lid is in excellent condition. Like I said, I will be pointing out flaws as I see them, and there are not too many flaws other than that little area right there and that one on the door. The trunk is finished, and it's carpet, jack, spare, I have a bunch of other miscellaneous parts that go along with the car. I think the front grille was replaced at some point, so I have the original one. Correct hubcaps. Again, some marks in the trim. It happens over time. But it is a 62 Oldsmobile Starfire, 394, 345 horsepower, original motor, 4 or 3-speed automatic trans. I kind of forget right now, having a little brain fart. Factory correct Garnet mist, correct interior, cool little seat belts that roll up, or roll up and fold. Real nice door jamb right there. And the beautiful dash. We're rounding it up here. Stay tuned. We will be firing it up and driving it. It will be for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links to both sites will be in the description of this video. So if you do see this video elsewhere and you want to check it out, go ahead. I will run the name of the website right now. Another little chip down there. Yeah, but here you have it. 62 Oldsmobile Starfire. 3 owner. Nicely documented. Protecto plate. 2nd owner. This was its show car. We're going to fire it up now. I will pop the hood very soon and we can go. And you can see it drive. Thank you. Here we go. Here is that 394, 345 horsepower motor. Power steering and power brakes. Real nice original engine compartment. We're going to fire it up now.